Why is my crypto verification taking so long on Gemini? Have you ever been excited to start trading cryptocurrency on a new platform only to find that your verification process is taking forever? It can be frustrating, especially if you're eager to get started. In this video, we'll discuss why your crypto verification on Gemini might be taking so long and what you can do to speed things up. I know how frustrating it can be when your crypto verification takes a long time. I've been there myself, and it's not fun. But don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'm going to explain why your crypto verification on Gemini might be taking so long and what you can do to speed things up. I'll also provide some tips for what to do if your verification is still taking a long time after following my advice. There are a few reasons why your crypto verification on Gemini might be taking so long. Here are some of the most common reasons. Gemini is busy. Gemini is a popular cryptocurrency exchange, and they have a lot of users. This means that they may have a backlog of verification requests. You submitted incomplete or incorrect information. If you submitted incomplete or incorrect information when you applied for verification, it will take longer for Gemini to process your request. You are from a country that is not supported by Gemini. Gemini is not available in all countries. If you are from a country that is not supported by Gemini, your verification request will be rejected. There is a technical issue with Gemini system. If there is a technical issue with Gemini system, it may take longer for your verification request to be processed. If you're not sure why your verification is taking so long, you can contact Gemini customer support. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and get your verification request processed as quickly as possible. Here are some tips for what you can do to speed up your crypto verification on Gemini. Submit all of the required information. Be sure to submit all of the required information when you apply for verification. This includes your name, date of birth, address, and government-issued ID. Submit accurate information. Make sure that all of the information you submit is accurate. If you submit incorrect information, it will take longer for Gemini to process your request. Use a clear photo of your ID. When you submit a photo of your ID, make sure that it is clear and legible. Respond to Gemini's requests promptly. If Gemini asks you for additional information, be sure to respond to their requests promptly. If you have followed all of these tips and your verification is still taking a long time, you can contact Gemini customer support. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and get your verification request processed as quickly as possible. I know it can be frustrating when your crypto verification takes a long time, but there are a few things you can do to speed things up. By following the tips in this video, you can get your verification request processed as quickly as possible. If you have any questions about your crypto verification on Gemini, please leave a comment below. I would be happy to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. Be patient. It can take some time for Gemini to process your verification request. Don't get discouraged if it takes a while. Check your email regularly. Gemini will send you emails to let you know the status of your verification request. Be sure to check your email regularly so that you don't miss any important updates. Use a VPN. If you are from a country that is not supported by Gemini, you can use a VPN to access the platform. However, please note that using a VPN is not a guarantee that your verification request will be approved. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. I hope this script is helpful.